We're here in Iloilo City para sa Dagyang Ride. Almost I think 150 or 200 riders riding together.
Forward momentum, you lose forward momentum, your motorcycle will fall down. Next, weight transfer. Yung lipat ng timbang sa motor. Okay? Remember, your motorcycle, you became a international rider, small bikes, then later on shifted to super bikes. He is a national champion, two-time national champion, Philippine Superbike Championship, right? Si Rainiel Resuelo, right? Superbike champion.
Nabigyan ako ng chance ngayon tulad ng nabanggit ni Coach Joey, pero sa tingin ko kailangan muna natin siyang palakpakan sa mahaba niyang coaching. Again, kaya ko na-appreciate to when we started racing 2005 and then nag-big bike ako ng 2009. Walang ganito. Walang magtuturo sa inyo kung anong nangyayari sa motor, paano i-ride yung motor. 74.
70 sa front, 20 sa brake, 10 sa engine.
Brake. Pero pag may mabilis na rider dumating doon, nag-148, bibilis ko yung lahat. Kasi biglang mawawala yung self-preservation mo. Hindi, kaya pa palang mas bilisan. Which is yung nag-i-initiate ng lean. Ang nangyayari sa atin, ay nabaga. Chain reaction yung nangyayari. So kung hindi maganda yung steering input mo or inconsistent, magiging ganito yung linya mo na hindi nyo napapansin.
Okay, here we go. That's for Coach and another for Nats, no?
Good morning guys, syempre kasama natin si our coach. Good morning! Asan tayo ngayon? We're here in Iloilo City para sa Dagyang Ride. Yun, in celebration of the Dagyang Festival. Annually, itong mga bikers dito, no, pinangunahan ng Pundakan Motorcycle Club. They conduct an invitational ride. So, we're here right now and ano gamit mo? So, today I'm using hindi yung Hyper ko gamit ko, no? So we're using a Hyper 698, right? So favorite bike sa Supermoto. Supermoto talaga. Ito talaga nang ito gamit mo. Siyempre, Multistrada V4. So, dito mga idols natin dito, lahat sila dito. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys ano na meron tayo dito normally. So, when we come every year, they invite so many riders from different club. And as you seeing right here, that was yesterday. Coach Joey was giving so many hypermap, so di mga idols natin kasama. Marami sila. Uy, dito kasama natin yan. Oh, bro, first time ka dito.
First time sa Dagyang Ride.
So first time din ang ride ka dito sa Iloilo, no?
First time ko mag-ride na motor, second time makarating dito. Yung una kong punta ng Dinagyang Festival is for cycling event.
So ngayon, motorcycle na.
So, sa tingin ko mas makakalayo tayo ngayon.
Oo, konting malayo, mga 60-70 km lang. So alam nyo nang itong number. Introduce ko sa inyo when the time is come. He will tell you what actually going to happen on 62 numbers, and he going to buy one of the Ducati bike numbered 62. Morning, Renil is here, guys. So this is our another guy is here. The tutor traveling tutor is here. Yeah, please subscribe and follow his page. one of the nice guy, and he make good videos. So as you seeing right here, that was last night. Coach Joey and Renil was giving some riding tips of the riders. Here is all the lineup. The Palawan boys from Tamilog. Yes, is here. Morning. Oh, here is of course our chairman and the president and lahat yan sa Tamilog. Si Philippines from Palawan. Yes, we are riding.
Inviting us here.
Yes. Oh, here is no. Okay. Kumain ka na, brother?
Yes. Breakfast.
Oh, Doc. Oh, Doc. Morning, Doc. Oh, sila lahat galing sa Palawan, no? Mga Palawan boys, Tamilog. Yes. Morning, sir. Morning po. Morning. Ano meron tayo ngayon? Marami na mga rider na
walang
invite.
waswas na siya.
Ay, wala. Bagong buhay tayo. Oh, Dagyang ride. Marami nang invite, no? Dami
Siyempre,
na.
nandito ka eh. Siyempre,
Ay, hindi.
umami yung mga nagpapalitan.
Hindi, dapat hindi ako punta dito eh. Alvin is here, guys. So, yung our Access Plus manager yan dito sa Iloilo. If ever you want to test ride the motorcycle, hanap nyo na lang dito sa Access Plus Iloilo. Diba marami tayo ng mga demo bikes tayo para test ride, diba?
Meron tayo. Yung bago, yung mono.
Yes. Yeah, 698.
698.
Meron tayo. So, ayan. Alvin is
Indian motorcycle. Si Italjet, yung 300.
Meron tayo. Lahat meron tayo dito. Hanap nyo na lang kay Alvin. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung mga motorcycle, guys. Puno-puno na yung mga motorcycle dito. Almost I think 150 or 200 riders riding together. So going to ride to Maasin. Morning brother. Morning. So, ito asawa, anong plano? Anong plano mo, madam? Anong plano mo?
Wala.
Init-init ka. Ano? Sunbathing ba? Sunbathing? Ha?
Paano kung may araw? Healthy yan.
Ano, may briefing tayo lahat.
Now, adto na to sila sa 12 nga intersection. Okay, so again, worst case scenario, Google Map or Waze, it will lead you to Maasin Municipal Gym.
Ayan na boys, be starting our ride. This is a lineup for today. Mga idols natin. Marami yan sila. O, tingnan nyo. Every year, this is third year. So, I always come here to support the Bundakan Riders. One of the nicest people here in the Philippines from Iloilo. They are very sweet and very care. Mabait talaga sila. Ito yung mga kasama natin ng mga riders natin. Dami din ng Harley Davidson dito sa Iloilo. Dami din ng mga big bike dito sa Panay. They came from different location in Panay. So as you see, even last year we came here. Yun na, marami sila dito. Puno-puno na yung mga idols natin. Oh. Ayan na, puno-puno na. Dami sila.
DFC
Sila pinakamarami. Thank you very much. They would not be able to perform today because ara sila in-house.
Last year, Yaman held sa Maasin ang Inyamalay at naging member ako sa Kundakan. Mabalan na ako motor to ulan ko pa yung motor to para sa motor. Okay. So pasensya na medyo hindi namin ang motor because by Monday we're going to host the 3rd Congressional District. We're so very busy. And
together with Mr. Aguilar.
Iloilo riders, Osiris riders, and fellow motorcycle enthusiasts, congratulations. And we're all here today. Thank you for sharing the passion, celebrating the passion with us. Congratulations.
Thank you sa Kundakan Motorcycle Club sa pag-invite dito sa Tagyang Ride. First time kong mag-ride papunta dito Maasin. Actually sa Iloilo. So medyo, I'm sure naguluhan kayo sa introduction. Ang daming naging personality ko sa pagmumotor. 21 years na po nagmumotor and then 13 years po pumarera. And then doon ako naging two-time national champion. And then ngayon naman nabigyan ako ng opportunity ng serbisyo sa bayan party list na maging nominee to represent yung riding consumer. Kasi ang main advocacy ng serbisyo sa bayan is consumer protection.
Good morning, good morning. Thank you for joining. Thank you, Kundakan, always making our motorcycle riding community together in Iloilo and bringing this kind of, event and we riding together with all of you. Anyway, this is my 3rd time and it's very wonderful ride and riding with all of you. And if ever you need any more help, you can just contact Zero to Podium for your, riding tips or for the racetrack, all the things. Also, here is Renil is here, one of our old friend, and he is going to support with his power. If he become a powerful guy in our Congress, he going to help us, not only talks. And I know this guy for a long time. So thank you guys for coming and thank you Kundakan for inviting us all the time.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go!
Kanina si Radiel, aking guest, si Nance, saka si Boss Joey. Saka kanina,
how do you pronounce your name? Guillaume, right? Yeah.
Joined the ride a while ago. I myself, I really enjoyed it. Riding with the community, celebrating two wheels, the passion of two wheels with fellow motorcycle riders, enthusiasts in our community.
And sa ipakilala yung party namin. So ngayon sa tingin ko yung perspective naman ng pagiging rider. Sa hindi ko nakakala, makukuha ng club president namin sa Euromakis. So nung nakita ko yung ginawa ng Kundakan ngayon, parang na-pressure ako kung anong pwedeng gawin din ng riding group namin para din ma-share yung passion namin for riding motorcycles. So again, congratulations Kundakan and then sa mga nag-attend. Hindi ko biro mag-organize ng event, lalo na yung ganito, ang daming iba't ibang riding group. And of course, yung risk ng pagmumotor sa kalye.
And we would like to congratulate them for the 3rd very successful Tagyang Ride. This year, April 4 and 5, we will have our 28th National Convention. It will be hosted by the Thunderbox. Actually, the Thunderbox has been hosting this event for the 3rd. This will be the 3rd time that Thunderbox will host this event.
Tagyang Ride. Siguro nakawilsend na tayo ng lahat. So translate dito. Nagawin sila yung mga apunta, black of appreciation to Chairman Ricky Wong. Hindi niya alam ko na bigyan natin sila ng appreciation. Kung wala sa kanya, this is a black of appreciation to Chairman Ricky Wong.
So, sa kita, sa kita. Ayan. Oh. Iba sa account